Hello, this is Felix, Belleville Real Estate, and today we're going to talk about something interesting. Something that's actually very important to all of us, and it's something that's actually more profound than looking at what properties are on the market. And that is going to be sale values of industrial properties within our submarket, and we're going to see how these trends can affect the values of our properties. So we're going to be covering 77093, 77022, and 77076. This is going to cover the areas such as Eastex, Jensen, Northline, and Airline and Fulton. So all these areas, we're going to take a very, very close look, and we're going to find out what's been going on for the past first half of this year, 2022, within this industrial submarket. So let's go ahead and get into it. So all this information that is compiled here and all this information I'm going to share with you is based on the publicly available information that I was able to recollect from public records and the software that we use and different resources. And it does not encompass everything that actually happened within some market. Texas is not a full non-disclosure state, so that means you don't have to disclose things like sales price, but some people do. And because of that, I'm able to share this data with you, and we can start inferencing how that is going to affect our properties and if that's going to help us or hurt us. So let's dive right into it. Within the first half of 2022, we've seen around 21 industrial properties trade within the submarket. And this is very interesting because although it may not seem like a lot, 21 does not seem like a lot of properties, we have to take into account what is the inventory for industrial properties within this specific submarket. So it may very well be a small number, but it may be a bigger fraction than we think. So 21 properties traded in this submarket, and the average trading value for industrial property in these zip codes was $55 per square foot. So $55 per square foot is right in line with what the study that we did a couple editions ago, which we looked at listing prices, and we said that a safe assumption is that the properties are going to sell for 80% of listing price, and we had arrived at a conclusion of $64 per square foot. There's a difference, but not a big difference. I would stick with 55. That's a little bit more realistic, especially with what's going on right now in the market with interest rates going up and just general appreciation of the properties slowing down. Not saying that it's not going up, it's just not going up as fast. So it was that. Now, aside from the trading value, $55 per square foot of warehouse, the average property that traded in the past 2 quarters has been 8,500 square feet of warehouse space. This is actually very interesting because this can actually describe what is kind of the demand and the supply that is available within the submarket. And in regards to land, for the average property is going to be 3/4 of an acre. So 0.75 acres is what the average property traded with. And if we take the ratio between the amount of building that there is on a property and the land, we arrive at a number of 31%. That means 31% of the lot is occupied by a building, which means that there's actually plenty of land within the property for laydown space and parking space. And this, what this can tell us is that this is the properties that are being bought. These are the properties that are being shown interest within the submarket, and maybe this is the property that is available, and this is the supply that is available with this submarket. So although all these information is not complete, like I said, it is a very good idea and can start to give us an idea what the trends and what the values of the sale prices here in this area are going for. And with this, we can start generating an idea of what actual trading prices can be. At the end of the day, everybody has the right to ask for whatever price they want. And although that may be what's going on in the market, it is not necessarily what a buyer is willing to pay or what they're going to end up selling it for if they do end up selling it. So that's why it's important to look at sale values and sale values of different properties. And with this, we can start generating a better idea, a better sense of property values without being distorted or from asking prices on the market. So I hope that was helpful, guys. If you guys wants to come and value your property, please give us a call. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. Bye-bye.